Hello friends, in this video I will show how to type curly brackets or braces with your keyboard. So open any document or anyway on PC or laptop. You can write curly bracket using this shortcut Control plus Fn plus F9. Control plus Fn plus F9. So you can write this curly bracket. In some keyboard, just type Control F9, and in the some laptop you need to turn on Fn key, Control plus F9. So this is the first method. Second method, you can write curly bracket using on-screen keyboard. So type OSK and Shift and this key. Click anyway. Shift and this key. Another method. Third method, insert symbol, more symbols. Font, select this normal text and subset this basic Latin. You can access this using this character code 007B. Select and insert. You can create your own shortcut. So select, then shortcut key and press any shortcut key like Alt 9 and click on Assign. So once you press Alt plus 9, so you will type this bracket. Same, select this and shortcut key, type Alt plus 8 or your own unique combination, then assign. Now you can write using your own shortcut Alt plus 8, Alt plus 9. And another method, shape, insert and shape. Here you will find this curly bracket. Select, and here you can make more changes. Once you click on this yellow dot, so you can make more changes to shape. And another method, search curly bracket on Chrome browser or any browser, and in the search result you will find. So copy and use anyway. Like here we will get this all type of bracket. Paste and remove the text. Make sure you paste as a text. So right click and paste as a text this last one. So thanks for watching and comment this video useful for you.